Hello, namaste everyone. Welcome back to Fitness and Wellbeing. In this video, we are going to do some effective asanas for leg strength. These asanas will build muscle as well as reduce excess fat on your thighs and hips. Add these asanas in your regular practice and in result, you will get well-toned legs. So let's get on to it. But first, please subscribe and support this channel. So we'll start with Utkatasana. To get into this pose, join your legs together and as you inhale, lift your arms up, elbows straight and bend your knee halfway. Make sure your spine should be straight. Suck your belly in and keep your knee on top of your toes. If you are a beginner or you don't have enough strength to hold, start with 15 to 20 seconds. And when you find you have good strength enough, go for at least 30 to 60 seconds of hold. Hold this position. Hold this position and relax. So the next is second variation of Utkatasana. Basically it's a squat position. Keep your legs shoulder width apart, spine straight, and as you inhale, lift your arms on shoulder level and exhale, bend your knee halfway. Make sure your thighs should be parallel, spine should be straight, and keep your knee onto your toes. Hold this position for at least 30 seconds. And when you find you have good strength enough, go for at least 60 seconds. Hold this position. Maintain. Feel the burn on your thighs and relax. Next one is the third variation of Utkatasana. Keep your legs shoulder width apart and as you inhale, lift your arms on your shoulder level and slowly lift your heels up and find your balance and slowly exhale, bend your knee. Don't collapse your knee inward. Keep your knee shoulder width apart. Your thighs should be parallel, spine straight. Suck your belly in, lift your heels up, hold, hold, maintain, hold, hold. Deep inhale, exhale while holding this posture. Hold. Feel the burn in your thighs. Suck your belly in and slowly come up. So the fourth one is Utkat Konasana, God or Goddess pose. Open your legs around 2 to 3 feet. Keep your toes outward. And as you inhale, lift your spine up. Lift your arms on your shoulder level. And as you exhale, bend your knee halfway. Make sure your knees are going in the same direction of your toes. Keep your thighs parallel to the mat. Spine should be straight. Suck your belly in. Feel the nice stretch in your inner thighs and feel the contraction on outer area of your quads and on your glute muscles. Don't collapse your knees inward. Keep your knees outward. Stay in this position for at least 15 to 20 seconds if you are a beginner or you don't have enough strength. If you find when you get enough strength, go for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Hold. Feel the burn in your muscles and slowly come up. So the next one is Warrior 1, Virabhadrasana first variation. Open your legs around 3 to 4 feet. Keep your right toe pointed and left toe inward around 45 degrees. Keep your pelvis straight. Spine should be straight. Inhale. Lift your arms. Join your palms together. And as you exhale, bend your front knee to make 90-degree angle. Make sure your knee on top of your heel. Your thigh should be parallel to the floor. Keep your left leg straight. Suck your belly in. Hold this position for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Hold. Maintain. Just keep breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. And slowly come up. Make sure you do it on the other side. So the next one is Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana second variation. Again, open your legs around 3 to 4 feet. Turn your right leg out, right toe pointed. Keep your left toe slightly inward. Press your outer edge on the floor. Keep your pelvis straight. Inhale. Lift your arms on your shoulder level. And as you exhale, bend your front knee. Again, make sure your knee on top of your heel. Your thigh should be parallel to the floor. Keep your left leg tight. Suck your belly in. Stay in this position for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Deep inhale and exhale when you are holding this position. Hold. Contract your glute muscle. Feel the burn on your thighs. Hold. Stay in this position and slowly come up. Relax. Make sure you do it on the other side. So the last one is Warrior 3, Virabhadrasana third variation. Open your legs shoulder width apart. Take your left leg a step ahead. Join your palms close to your sternum. Keep your left leg strong and straight. And as you inhale and exhale, lift your right leg up, parallel to the floor. Keep your spine straight. Hold this. Find your balance. Stay in this position for at least 15 to 20 seconds. And when you find the balance, you can raise your arms. Hold. Maintain. And relax. Make sure you do it on the other side. So that's it for now. To get the best result, practice these asanas at least 4 to 5 days a week. If you find this video helpful, comment below, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe and support this channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.